Hello students, we are here for discussing a very important topic of mathematics that is related to coordinate geometry of 10th class. Before this video, we have discussed about distance formula. That is very basic concept of coordinate geometry. In this video, we will discuss about the second concept of coordinate geometry, that is section formula. Let us start. Let we have 2 points A and B. We have 2 points A and B. Let coordinates of A are x1, y1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2. Let us join these points A and B. Now let we have another point P which divide AB in the ratio m is to n and coordinates of P are x, y. We have a line segment AB, coordinates of A are x1, y1 and coordinates of B are x2, y2. Let we have point P on AB whose coordinates are x, y. Let I take this line segment AB in coordinate plane xo, x dash, yo, y dash. Let us draw AM perpendicular on x-axis, BN, PN also perpendicular on x-axis, and BS is also perpendicular on x-axis. Let us draw AT perpendicular on PN. Also draw PH perpendicular on BS. Let I write coordinates of P are here x, y. In triangle ATP and PHB, both triangles are similar because angle A is equal to angle P. Why? Because PH is parallel to AT. So A and P are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle T and H are also equal because each has measurement 90 degree. So triangle ATP similar to triangle PHB. Now what can you say about OS? OS is equal to x2. Similarly, ON is equal to x. So NS will be equal to OS minus ON, that is x2 minus x. x2 minus x. Now what can you say about BS? BS is y2 and BH is y. Then BH will be equal to BS minus HS, that is y2 minus y. Similarly, PH will be equal to NS, that is x2 minus x. In triangle ATP, what can you say about ON? ON is equal to x and ON is equal to x1. Then MN is equal to ON minus OM. ON is x, OM is x1, then MN is x minus x1. Similarly, AT will be equal to MN, that is x minus x1. PT. PN is equal to Y and TN is equal to Y1. Then PT will be equal to PN minus TN. What is PN? PN is Y minus TN is Y1. So in triangle ATP, AT is X minus X1 and TP is Y minus Y1. In triangle PHB, HB is Y2 minus Y and PH is X2 minus X. These two triangles ATP and PHB are similar, then the ratio of their sides will also be equal. So AT, what will be the ratio of the sides? AT upon PH. AT upon PH will be equal to PT upon BH. PT upon BH. And third side is AP upon PB. What is AT? What is AT? X minus X1. What is PH? What is PH? X2 minus X. X2 minus X. What is PT? PT is Y minus Y1 and BH is Y minus BH is Y2 minus Y is equal to AP upon PB. What is AP? AP is M. AP is M. And what is PB? PB is N. These three terms are equal. Now, let I take first and last. First and last. That is X minus X1. X minus X1 upon X2 minus X is equal to M upon N. M upon N. By cross multiplication, this implies M x2 minus M x is equal to N x minus N x1. Let I take terms of x on one side and x2 and x1 on one side. M x2 plus N x1 is equal to Nx plus M x. This implies M x2 plus N x1 is equal to, taking x common from each term, N plus M into x. Then what will be the value of x? Divided N plus M on both sides. M x2 plus N x1 upon M plus N will be equal to x. Similarly, if I take the last two equal, then y minus y1 upon y2 minus y is equal to M upon N. By cross multiplication, my2 minus my is equal to ny minus ny1. This implies my2 plus ny1. my2 plus ny1 is equal to ny plus 1 minute please. Y minus y1 upon y2 minus y is equal to m by n. Then my2 minus my, my2 minus my is equal to ny minus ny1. Now my2 plus ny1 will be equal to ny plus my. This implies my2 plus ny1 is equal to, taking y common from both, n plus m into y. Divide on both sides n plus m. Then my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n or n plus m is equal to y. So value of x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n. Similarly, value of y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon n plus n. This is our section formula. What section formula tells us? Section formula tells us that if we have 2 points A and B, and the coordinates of A and B are given, and we have to find the coordinates of P that lies on AB, then coordinates of P will be equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon n plus n, and the second coordinate y will be equal to my2 plus ny1 upon n plus n. These are required coordinates of point P. This is our section formula. So students, I hope that you will understand better, and next topic will be discussed in the next video. So thanks all of you, and thanks again.